In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix sound problem on Samsung Galaxy A16. For example, I can't increase sound in my device. As you can see, it is not working. Let me show you by opening video. As you can see, no sound is coming. Now let's fix it. Go in settings, scroll down, go in accessibility, go in hearing enhancements. Here you can see mute all sound is enabled. To disable this, simply tap on this toggle. Now simply go back, go in sound and vibration, go in sound quality and effects, go in equalizer, make sure equalizer is normal. Now simply go back, enable the adapt sound, tap on adapt sound. Here you can see the three options. The first is for the people who is under 13 years, and second is for those people who is above 30 years, and third is for those people who is above 60 years old. So I have selected under 30 years old. It will boost high frequencies according to it. I will simply go back again. Now let's play music. As you can see, all sound problem is fixed now. So this is how you can fix sound problem on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.